Hi guys, how are you all? And I'm so happy to welcome you all to my new YouTube channel. And I'm so overwhelmed because I have finally started what I always wanted to do. So you might be wondering what will be the first video I'm gonna upload today. It is about skincare, which I am so crazy about. I love skincare and I love taking care of my skin. So many might be having a doubt in their head, like why should we take care of our skin? What is the necessity of taking care of your skin? I'm sorry guys, please ignore the noise outside because there's a lot of traffic going on and a bit of a construction work is going on. So please ignore the noise. So coming inside our video, skincare is very important for every person regardless of the gender. Okay, like be it a boy or a girl, you need to take care of your skin because that is the largest organ in your body. We can't disagree that point. We know that skin is the largest organ in our body and it is highly significant and important that we should take care of our skin. That is the largest organ, like just like any other organ in our body. Like if there's an infection in our eye, we are not going to we are not going to ignore that thing, right? We have to consult the doctor and take care of it. Just like that, if your skin is getting an acne or if your skin is going through rashes, then you definitely have to take care of your skin. So there are so many skincare routines or skincare process, around the world. People follow so many process, and I am not going to recommend the 14-step skincare process, the cleanse, tone, moisturize, serum, masks, and all those things. Those are very complicated and kind of not budget friendly too. So what can we do in a minimal way? But we should take care of your skin as well. We should keep our skin supple, healthy, and glowing, but it should be pocket friendly. So what is the process? So the process of taking care of your skin is a very delicate process because your skin itself is a delicate thing. It's not very rough. So you need to take care that you're not going to damage your skin in the process of taking care of it. Okay? These auto guys, the sound. Okay. So what I do is I regularly take care of my skin. I follow skincare daily, not alternate days or once in a week. I follow for that process. What I follow is a cleanser, toner, and a moisturizing process. These are the only 3 processes I follow daily. Okay, so what are the budget-friendly moisturizers, toners, or cleansers you get in the market? Okay, I'll link all those down in the description box, but for now I'll just show you all the products that I have, those which are budget friendly and which works really good on your skin. So first thing, I use this Neutrogena cleanser, Neutrogena liquid Neutrogena pure mild facial cleanser. It is a beautiful cleanser for your skin. It hydrates your skin, it removes makeup. If your makeup isn't waterproof, this will remove your makeup just in one wash. And you can use it daily, or you can use it like after you come out, after coming out from somewhere. If you can use this cleanser to remove dirts and stuff. And this is the toner I have been using for a very long time, and this is the Himalaya refreshing toner. It is so budget friendly. It is just for 95 rupees, and a very little quantity goes a long way. So this toner generally tightens your pores after the usage of a cleanser, because cleanser usually opens your pores, right? It unclogs your pores and removes the dirt. So obviously your pores are going to be open. So this will be useful in tightening those pores, because if your pores are going to be open, again the dirt is going to get settled in and it's not hygienic. So after the toner, what we are going to use is a moisturizer, which is the most favorite part of a skincare. So moisturizers are of so many kinds. You have moisturizers for dry skin, for oily skin, for combination skin, for sensitive skin. So find your skin type and buy the moisturizer that suits your skin very well. And for sensitive skin people, you needn't consult a lot about your skin type. Just avoid products that have fragrance and color in it, and that will be good for your skin. So I'm a dry skin type, so I have been using this Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. It is a super good moisturizer, such a big tub, and comes for around 300 or 350 or something, only like that. And it smells like peaches. It is amazing moisturizer, and look how much I have used. I've almost reached the bottom of the tub. It is a very glowing moisturizer. It gives a subtle glow to your skin, so that you can use this moisturizer even as the first layer in your makeup. You know, when you're going to prep your skin before makeup, you can use this. Like, I'll show you how this creates that glow in your skin. I have nothing on my face right now, okay? I have nothing. I have just put some lip balm and there's nothing on my face. So I'm going to take a little bit. Make sure you're not using too much of a moisturizer, because it is a bit controversial to say, but too much of a moisturizer can also dry your skin. It's a bit complicated to understand, but too much of a moisturizer can dry your skin. So make sure you take the size of an almond. Yeah, a size of an almond will be done. And then I'm going to take in my hand, warm it up, and I'm applying it on my face. It's a bare face. I haven't put anything on my face. You can see how hydrating it is. Make sure when you apply any product, not only moisturizer, any product like serums or any oil, facial oils, make sure you're rubbing it upwards and don't pull your skin down, because when you do like this, and it's gonna make your skin sag, and in a due course of time, when you're going to do the same action repeatedly, your skin is going to get saggy, and after a few years you will be looking like, we don't want that face, right? We need our skin lifted and tight. For how many years we are going to live? For all those years, we need our skin tight. So I have applied this, and you can see it is giving a beautiful subtle glow to my face. It is a sign of great hydration. So you can give a superb try on this moisturizer. It hasn't been specified that it is for dry skin type. It can be used for all skin types. You know, any person can use this moisturizer, be it dry, oily, or combination skin. Anyone, you can use this moisturizer. So these are the basic skincare routine, you know, using a cleanser, toner, and a moisturizer. This is the basic skincare that you can follow. And this process will make sure your skin is going to be supple and hygienic daily. And it can avoid the occurrence of acne or zits or any pigmentation. It's going to stop that process, or at least it's going to reduce the process of appearance of those stuff. And it will definitely reduce the process of aging. Your process of aging will get slowed down if you're going to use these cleanser, toner, and moisturizer routine. And it will definitely 100% it will make your skin look youthful. So this is my first YouTube video, and I'm so happy for that. And for other videos to come, please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. I'll see you soon, very soon, with the next interesting and innovative video. Bye guys.